Huaiyang cuisine is known for being mild. Locals emphasize freshness and harmony of flavor. Lily bulbs and asparagus are not only savory and fragrant, but are also able to soothe the lungs and throat, calm the mind, and expel heat, making them highly popular in Huaiyang cuisine. Traditionally, lilies symbolize wealth, nobility, and harmony. The asparagus symbolizes elegance and improvement. This has made them indispensable during the Spring Festival. The asparagus has also been praised in ancient poetry. Diners are presented not only with a dish, but a food that is part of literary heritage. Wash asparagus, removing fibrous part, and cut into sections. Cook in boiling water with the lily bulbs and red chili. Rinse and set aside for later. Heat a wok of oil. Add minced garlic. Add asparagus, lily bulbs, ham after garlic has been fried for a few moments. Add condiments and stir fry until flavors have been infused. Add sweet potato powder and water to dilute the dish. Add lily bulbs and ham that you previously prepared. Serve. Asparagus and lily bulbs, paired with red chili pepper garnishes. A simple dish that is mild to the taste buds.